Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Dipali from Succulent Gardener, Mumbai. This video is very simple video, and the reason of making this video and sharing with you all is I just wanted to share the growth of my philodendrons which I brought in last year. Means now during last monsoon I brought these philodendrons from online nursery, and I noticed the growth, and there is a difference between growth of these three philodendrons. This one is a neon philodendron, this one is a green philodendron, and this is a philodendron Brazil. Actually variegation is not seen on these leaves, but there is one stem here inside. Yeah, it's showing the variegation of philodendron Brazil. But what I have noticed, out of these three philodendron, this has shown a very impressive growth. See the size of the leaves. Stems, they are very thick. They are very thick. In comparison with these two philodendron, this has shown very impressive growth. Why it is so? They brought last year, all of them. I brought them last year. And last year in the March, lockdown happened. Pandemic hit the India, all over the world rather, very badly. And since last year, the time has changed. In the March, lockdown happened, resources started getting over. So fortunately I was having coco peat, my soil, compost, all other amendments that we add in the soil like perlite, everything started getting over, and finally they got over. Nothing was left. So I started making compost from kitchen waste last year, okay, during the lockdown period. And now I stay in Mumbai. Mumbai's lifestyle, everybody is aware that we are space challenge people. Means there is a lack of space. If there is no balcony, or if you don't have your own house, then how to manage the compost bin? So what I did, I started using these kind of planters to make my compost. I started collecting the kitchen waste in these kind of planters because they are very good. They are having many holes, so there is aeration. And I made the layers of kitchen waste and then the coco peat. Fortunately, I was having block of 5 kg coco peat. So I just gave a try. Simply I started collecting the kitchen waste. I just put all my kitchen waste, veg kitchen waste, into these kind of planters. I covered those kitchen waste. I covered that kitchen waste with the coco peat. Again next day, next layer of a kitchen waste. Again that kitchen waste is covered with the coco peat, and so on. And within 2 months, all that kitchen waste got converted into the black gold, that is a black soil, and I got the compost. Now why I am telling you all these things? Because out of these three planters, this one is normal coco peat I planted. Actually all these three plants were in the 4-inch pot when I received them. Then after I brought them during the monsoon. After 2 months, I repotted them in a bigger pot. I planted this one green into a coco peat. I added some slow release fertilizer into this, nothing else. And I after every 15 days, I provide water soluble fertilizer to all my plants. So they even though it is a coco peat, they get the good amount of required fertilizer. This plant used to get. Then this one, as I said that I started making the compost. Now in this pot I made the soil by using compost made from the kitchen waste. I was having little perlite and the coco peat. I made the mixture of all those materials, compost, perlite, little bit sand I was having, and I prepared a soil and I planted this neon philodendron into this. And what happened to this Brazil? Actually, suddenly after during the monsoon, I started that this has started rotting. This philodendron Brazil started rotting. So I took its cutting, I propagated it, and this was a pot in which I made the compost. So this is directly, there was a compost in this, nothing else. I prepared compost in this pot. Okay, I didn't do anything. I laid kitchen waste, coco peat, one above other, and just I kept it for 2 months. After 2 months, I got compost out of that kitchen waste and coco peat, and simply I planted those cuttings into this. Means after propagation, that propagated sapling I planted into this. In this pot there is no perlite, there is no sand, only the piles of kitchen waste and coco peat is there. Simply when it turned black, I just planted this philodendron Brazil into this, and you can see the growth. So this is what I wanted to make you notice. Only kitchen waste is so useful that can help you to grow your plant healthy. In fact, out of that compost made from kitchen waste, I prepared soil for my terrarium, and I used the soil in my terrarium, and I have made its video also, the growth of my plants, growth of my philodendron in the terrarium. And in that terrarium I have used that compost soil, and it has given me the tremendous effect. The plants were so healthy in the terrarium. Unfortunately, that terrarium broke, so I don't have that terrarium to show you. I will show you the pictures of that terrarium. Just I wanted to convey that the compost that we can make at our home from the kitchen waste, it is so great thing that we can use for our plants. And just see, means lengthwise and the thickness of the stems and the size of the leaves is you can easily make out. I just tried it. I didn't shoot it that time when I planted, when I did all these things, but after seeing the growth of this plant, see, even the new leaf, this juvenile leaf is also so healthy. And see the size of this. Their stems are very fragile. Even this one is bushy. This is looking bushy, but the stems are very fragile, and the leaves are also very small. So this is the magic of compost that is made from the kitchen waste. So guys, 5th June is the World's Environment Day. So on this occasion, just take one step ahead and start making the compost at your home and use them for your plants, and see the magic, see the difference in your plants. So on this note, Dipali is signing off. See you in the next video. Till then, happy gardening. Bye bye.